Welcome to the heart of the Maldives. Beyond the white sand beaches and luxury resorts lies Malé, one of the most densely populated and vibrant capital cities on Earth. We begin our walking tour at Republic Square, or Jamhuri Maidan. This green oasis at the northern waterfront is the city's civic heart, marked by a massive national flag. Nearby, the November 3rd Memorial stands as a somber reminder of the nation's history, honoring those who defended the capital in 1988. Walking these streets, you feel the pulse of a nation that has balanced ancient maritime traditions with modern urban growth. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Just a short walk south brings us to the Islamic Center, home to the Grand Friday Mosque, the largest in the country. Its magnificent golden dome dominates the city skyline and serves as a symbol of the Maldives' deep-rooted Islamic heritage. The architecture is a blend of modern design and traditional motifs, with pristine white marble that reflects the tropical sun. Inside, the mosque can accommodate over 5,000 worshippers, reflecting the scale of faith in this island nation. Contrast this with the Hukuru Miski, or the Old Friday Mosque, dating back to 1658. It is the oldest mosque in the Maldives. This UNESCO tentative World Heritage Site is built entirely from interlocking coral blocks, featuring unique maritime architecture found nowhere else. The level of detail in these carvings, executed centuries ago by local master craftsmen, is truly breathtaking. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone: 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. The surrounding cemetery holds the history of Malé, with tombstones uniquely shaped to indicate the gender of those buried here. Right across the street lies the Palace Quarter. This colorful building is Malé Age, the official residence of the president. Built in 1906 for the Sultan, its colonial-style design and vibrant colors make it one of the most photographed spots in the city. Nearby is the Medu Ziyarai, the resting place of the scholar who is credited with bringing Islam to these islands nearly 9 centuries ago. To escape the urban heat, we step into Sultan Park, the former grounds of the royal palace, and now a lush public garden. The National Museum, located within the park, houses treasures ranging from ancient Buddhist relics to the regalia of past sultans. As we wander further, we see the everyday life of Malé, the narrow alleys, local cafes, and the warm hospitality of its people. A quick stop at a local tea shop reveals the flavors of the Maldives, where short eats and black tea are a midday staple. This is just the beginning. In Part 2, we'll dive into the sensory explosion of the local fish and produce markets. Join us as we continue to uncover the hidden stories and vibrant culture of this island capital. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.